Now we're going to start looking at the word negation to talk about other ways we can change statements. Where's another place you've heard the word negate or negative? Write in the margin on the left side of your notes what it means then. Make a prediction about what you think it will mean in a sentence. Pause the video to do this. For statements, negation means to do the opposite, or what we often think of as negative of the statement. It means put in the not. That's how we do it with words, or if there's already a not, we take out the not. It's written in symbolic form with a squiggly, like the negative in math, and then whatever letter we're using for that part of the statement. Let's look at a couple of examples. Negate these statements. You like to dance. We are going to write the opposite, meaning putting in a not because there needs a not in this sentence for negating. You like to dance turns into you do not like to dance, or you don't like to dance. What if there's already a not, like in the don't here? There's a not here. We don't say you don't not eat spinach. We say you eat spinach. We took out the not. Let's see when we use negation. The inverse means that we negate the hypothesis and conclusion of the conditional statement. Since it's of the conditional statement, that means the order stays the same. We just put the negative. Negative P, then negative Q with the squiggly symbol. Remember that the inverse is equivalent in meaning, in truth value, to the converse. Let's look at an example. Translate the statement into symbolic form. Then write the inverse for the conditional statement. If it is 6 p.m., then it is time for dinner. Well, if we call the hypothesis G and the conclusion H, the symbolic notation would be G, arrow H. Changing it to the inverse keeps it in this order but negates it. Squiggly G or not G, then not H, like that. Notice again, I did not circle the if, I did not circle the then. So those parts of the statement stay there. What changes is the hypothesis. It is 6 p.m. turns into it is not 6 p.m. Then it is time for dinner, then it is not time for dinner. So there's the inverse.